Hey guys, my name is Oluwamayawa from Lutuyo. I am a digital marketing analyst and I work with BigFix Technologies. Now, BigFix Technologies is an enterprise software company located in Surulere, Lagos. We have developed and deployed software solutions for companies such as ALM Construction, a multinational construction company, GMT Logistics, The Source Computers, and WAEC, amongst others. Now, we noticed that programmers usually have problems to showcase projects to employers, which most times there is opportunities of getting employed. Thus, we innovated our BigFix Academy. Now, at the BigFix Academy, we will train you and also give you the chance to work on real-time projects and also gain industrial experience along the line. Now, note, industrial experience can only be gained when you work on real-time projects and you work in teams. We want to give you that. We want to give you the chance to experience that. So we are organizing a 3-month rigorous training where we will train you and also give you the opportunity to work on real-time projects. I'll be hoping to see you there at the academy. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shimon Officer. I'm a software developer here at BigFix Technology. Before starting at BigFix, I have a basic knowledge in Python programming language. And after starting at BigFix Technology, I've been able to work on real-life solutions and thereby increase my knowledge in programming and problem solving.
I'm a software developer here in BigFix Technologies. Before I joined BigFix Technologies, I had intermediate knowledge on some programming languages like Python and Java, but then I had no real life experience on projects. But when I joined BigFix Technology, I had the opportunity to work on real life projects, and trust me, that has really helped me in scaling up my programming skills. Thank you.
We have had people go through this set of experiences and now have gained skill sets and are now employable. We have a whole lot of them. We took them to the academy, we allowed them work on real-time projects, and now some of them have gotten jobs with different companies. I would want you to get that. We want to expose you to industrial experience. We want you to have enough projects to wow your employees. Thank you.